Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Ruang Risa. In this occasion, we want to discuss about practical English grammar materials, especially sentence types. Let's check it out. In here, we want to discuss about the four types of sentence. There is the simple, compound, complex, and compound complex sentence. The first one is simple sentence. Simple sentence has two characters. The first is a simple sentence contains a subject and a verb. The second, it expresses a single complete thought that can stand on its own. Nah, jadi dalam simple sentence ini terkandung sebuah independent clause, di mana independent clause ini mengekspresikan sebuah pemikiran tunggal yang utuh. And this independent clause can stand on its own because it contains a subject and also a verb. The example of simple sentence, the first one is the baby cried for food. The baby here is stand as subject and cried stand as verbs. And the second is Professor Maple's intelligent students completed and turned in their homework, di mana subjeknya adalah Profesor Maple's intelligent students dan memiliki dua verb yakni completed and turned. And the third example is Megan and Ron ate too much and felt sick. Di sini ada dua subjek yakni Megan and Ron, kemudian ada juga dua verb yakni ate and felt. The next type is compound sentence. The compound sentence has some character. The first is has two independent clauses, and the next is contains two simple sentences, and the third is these independent clauses joined by fun voice conjunction. Fun voice conjunction is include for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. The example of compound sentence, the first is they spoke to him in Indonesian, but he responded in Japanese. Nah, di sini ada dua independent clause yang dihubungkan dengan conjunction but. And the second example is the shoplifter had stolen clothes, so he ran once he saw the police. Di sini, dua independent clause ini disatukan, dihubungkan dengan conjunction so. The next type is complex sentence. A complex sentence is an independent clause joined by one or more clauses. A dependent clause either lacks a subject or a verb or has both a subject and a verb that doesn't express a complete thought. Nah, di sini biasanya complex sentence itu ditandai dengan penggunaan subordinated conjunction dan juga relative pronoun, di mana subordinated conjunction ini meliputi as, because, since, after, although, when. Sedangkan relative pronoun itu meliputi who, which, that. So, a complex sentence is contain an independent clause joined by one or more dependent clause. The example is, after eating lunch at the Cheesecake Factory, Tim went to the gym to exercise. In here, the word after is stand as subordinating conjunction, and then after eating lunch at the Cheesecake Factory stand as dependent clause, and Tim went to the gym to exercise stand as independent clause. The last one is compound complex sentence. A compound complex sentence has two independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. Jadi dalam compound complex sentence ini mengandung dua independent clauses atau klausa yang bisa berdiri sendiri dan setidaknya satu dependent clause. The example is, after the two soccer players lost their games, they joined their other teammates for lunch and they went to the movies. The independent clause is after the two soccer players lost their game, and the two of dependent clause is they joined their other teammates and then they went to the movies. might be enough of our materials in this occasion. Thank you for your attention. Hopefully it can useful. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.